breaking news in connection with the Liquorgate probe. Arvind Kejriwal has received bail by the Supreme Court. This is interim bail that's been granted to the Delhi Chief Minister. Let's take a look at my colleague Harish, who's bringing us more.
Essentially, Kejriwal's petition challenging arrest has been referred to a larger bench. Till then, Kejriwal has been given interim bail on making three observations. Number one, that he has already undergone incarceration for more than 90 days. Number two, he is an elected leader, Chief Minister of our state. And most important observation being that it is up to Kejriwal. Supreme Court has left it to Kejriwal to decide whether he should continue as Chief Minister or not. So a very short proceeding during which the Supreme Court has read out the operative portion as far as Kejriwal's petition challenging the
Now, when it comes to the details of the case, the fact that the Supreme Court has granted interim bail to the Delhi Chief Minister, Arvind Kejriwal, we will give you a little bit more about what's taking place in the background. We have a reaction from Sanjay Singh of the Aam Aadmi Party, again hitting out at the Prime Minister, the BJP-led government, saying, how long will you keep the truth imprisoned? Let's listen in to the advocate of Arvind Kejriwal.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आज अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को अंतरिम जमानत दी है और ये कहा है कि उनको जो है इस मैटर में अंतरिम जमानत दी जाती है और जो इशू है सेक्शन 19 का और नीड फॉर अरेस्ट का उसको जो है रेफर किया गया है लार्जर बेंच में। केजरीवाल जी अभी कस्टडी में रहेंगे क्योंकि सीबीआई की बेल अभी पेंडिंग है।
All right, my colleague Rame joins us to get us more on this. Rame, big development. The Supreme Court has granted interim bail to the Delhi Chief Minister. Tell us more about the grounds on which the Supreme Court has granted this bail. Also explain why exactly Kejriwal will not be walking out of jail.
Absolutely. So Arvind Kejriwal case has by now become a roller coaster, right? Supreme Court today granted him interim bail. Arvind Kejriwal had approached the Supreme Court challenging his arrest by the Enforcement Directorate in the Liquorgate. Now today the bench headed by Justice Sanjeev Khanna granted him interim bail and referred the question of his arrest to a larger bench. The bench of Justice Sanjeev Khanna stated that there is a difference between Section 45 and Section 19 of the PMLA, and there is also a difference between the need of arrest and necessity of arrest, and can it be read into Section 19 of the PMLA? Considering all these questions, the matter has now been referred to a larger bench, a constitutional bench of the Supreme Court. However, the Supreme Court also noted that Kejriwal has suffered 90 days of incarceration already, and it wouldn't be right to make him continue in the jail. So the Supreme Court ultimately granted interim bail to Arvind Kejriwal. However, he would still remain in judicial custody because remember, CBI had also arrested Arvind Kejriwal very recently in the Liquorgate probe, and he is still in judicial custody in the CBI case. However, Arvind Kejriwal had approached the Delhi High Court challenging the arrest by the CBI as well as seeking regular bail in the CBI's case, which is listed for the hearing. CBI had been issued notice in the matter, and the matter had been listed for July 17th, which is yet to come. As of now, so there is a big relief for Arvind Kejriwal from Supreme Court in the ED's case. However, due to the CBI's case, Arvind Kejriwal will still remain behind the bar.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.